In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Pepperstone demo account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is head on over to pepperstone.com. Then once you're here, you're going to be taken to a page that looks similar to this. Then from here, trade with the leading provider. It's going to probably say your region. I'm in Australia, so Australian CFD provider. So go ahead and click on try a demo. So now you can trade CFDs on margin FX, indices, CFDs, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and shares. So yeah, click try a demo. Now a new page is going to appear. It says create a Pepperstone account. So from here, I'm just going to click on sign up with Google, but you can sign up with Facebook or sign up with Apple, or you can continue with an email if you like. So to make this demonstration quick, I'm going to sign up with my Google account. And then from here, you're going to be taken to a page where it says, let's create your profile. So you want to choose your country of residence, account type, individual, joint, company, trust corporate, introducing broker, put in your first name and make sure it is as shown on ID documents, because you need to send in ID documents to verify your account and start making trades and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure your first name, last name is correct, your date of birth, mobile number, and if you like, you can check mark this and click continue. Then after verification, select one of the supported platforms, MT4, MT5, cTrader or TradingView. Then choose account specifications like standard or razor, virtual balance, and preferred currency. Then from there, simply launch the account. So you receive a unique login credentials for the platform. You can trade via WebTrader or download your chosen app, and that can be MT4, 5, or cTrader or something similar.